Hello everyone and welcome back. We are expressing root 3 bar in the form of P by Q. In my earlier video I have shown you to express decimal numbers which are terminating in the form of P by Q. Now we are going to learn to express non-terminating recurring numbers in the form of P by Q. In that I have taken first one, that is purely recurring, in which after the decimal whichever numbers are there, whichever digits are there, they are repeating continuously. So here we have taken one example, root 3 bar. It can also be written as 0.333, and there are 3 dots after it, so that it means 3 repeats itself infinite times. So let us start. The first step to express this in the form of P by Q, let us take x is equal to 0.333 and dot, or we can also take x is equal to 0.3 bar, and we will call this as equation 1. In purely recurring, always whenever we consider x as the given number, we will write this as equation 1. Now see, there are how many digits which are repeating after the decimal. There is only one digit repeating after the decimal infinite times, that is 3 is repeating infinite times. So there is only one digit, and because only one digit is repeating infinite times, what we have to do is we have to shift 1 3 to in the integral part. We have to shift this 3 before the decimal. To shift this 3 before the decimal, we all know that we must multiply this by 10. So what we'll do now, multiply the equation 1, multiply the equation 1 by 10. We will be multiplying on both sides. See, because it is an equation, it should be balanced, right? So we are multiplying by 10 on both the sides. So this becomes 10 into x is equal to 10 into 0.333 dot dot dot. Okay, now when we multiply this 10 by x, it becomes 10x is equal to 10 into 0.333 dot dot dot. That means this 10, when we multiply by any decimal number, it shifts the decimal point to the next number. So this 3 will be shifted 3.333. Now you must be thinking that there are only 3's here, and I have taken again 3 here and 1 3. See, I have already told you that 3 is repeating infinite time. So we are selecting just 3 from that. So this 3 dot indicate that 3 is present here infinite times. Now we will call this as equation 2. Now you can see this equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 2 is the greater one. So what we will do, subtracting equation 1 from 2, or you can write equation 2 minus equation 1. You can subtract this horizontally as well as in columns. I prefer to subtract it in columns. 10x is equal to 3.333 dot 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 minus, we will be taking equation 1, x is equal to 0.333 dot dot dot. Now you see here, after the decimal, while we are subtracting, after the decimal all the digits are same. They are repeating infinite times. So after the decimal the number remains is 0. Here before decimal 3 minus 0 is 3. So 3.0 means it is 3 only. Now here when we subtract 10x minus x, x means 1x, 10x minus x is 9x. So here what is remaining, 9x is equal to 3. Now we will do the transposition to find the value of x. X is equal to 3 divided by 9, because we have done the transposition of 9 on the right side. So 3 ones are 3 3s are 9. X is equal to 1 by 3. And what is actually x? X is 0.333 dot dot dot, or 0.3 bar. So here x is 0.3 bar is equal to 1 by 3. Here friends, it is represented in the form of P by Q. Just follow certain steps. Consider the given number as x. and see how many digits are repeating, multiply it by 10, and then after multiplication consider that as equation 2. So equation 2 minus 1 we will be getting 9x is equal to 3, and then transposition will get x is equal to 1 by 3. That means 0.3 bar is equal to 1 by 3, and it is represented in the form of p by q. There is one assignment for you. Do represent 0.27 bar on the number line and try. See, here 2 digits are repeating, so you should keep in your mind by which number you should be multiplying this. Thank you.